Good morning everyone, we are in Quito this morning. I've just got up, I haven't showered or anything, and my face is super dry from all that sunburn. But we're getting ready, and all of us and the group are going to Mitad Del Mundo, which is the middle of the earth, which will be good. And then tonight we should be getting the bus to Banos. I've just spent the entire morning trying to do police checks for everything for my university, and it's just been the most frustrating thing ever. I've got all the way to the end after spending an hour trying to do this thing, which says 45 minutes. And then there's an error, which is I just can't even. Yeah, we've got heaps of washing to do. The room is like a bomb's hit it. Camera's super dirty as well. Is that any better? Who knows? But yeah, we're just gonna get ready and then we'll see you on our way for the day. We're off to go and do laundry. We've got heaps of laundry, it's basically my entire bag. And then figure out how to do this Mitad Del Mundo thing. Don't know whether we're gonna have enough time if the bus takes 2 hours, but laundry's off. Now back to the hotel to meet the group to figure out what we're doing. And here we have a rare species of man with dreadlocks. And we're off to catch the bus. Oh, we're on the bus. 40 minutes on this. 6 hours and what? Hello. You loving it? Right, well we're on our third and final bus to Mitad Del Mundo, and we've got seats this time. Let's go. We've made it. Now we just need to walk to the actual Mitad Del Mundo. And the roads here are ridiculous to cross. Is it just like a, do you reckon I should just start? I'll be the lollipop lady. Very green and lovely. That's a cool building. Hola, buenas tardes.
Aquí tienes.
Gracias. Lads. They let you in. They let you in. Right, we're going to see the ancestors' houses. Ooh, they look like they're made out of mud and stone. Banana tree. The Shaw people. Made of palm. Bamboo shoots, and their roofs are made of palm leaves.
Where are they now? Yeah.
I think so.
Well, that's a real person.
Oh my god. Excuse me, please can you help us? Oh, there's more.
That's creepy. That is creepy.
Ooh. Excuse me, do you know where the toilet is? ¿Dónde está el baño? Por favor? No? Here we have some guinea pigs that they're trying to fatten up before they eat. Does it actually say these ones? Yeah. Guinea pig is considered a domestic animal by indigenous people. It used to stay inside homes, and then it became a good source of food and medicine. Hannah has become our Danilo. Where are we off to today, Hannah? Or where are we off to next?
The cultural square, or the which is right next to the fish square.
Lovely. We've made it to the main plaza. And there's a lovely dance going on. This is so cool. A lot of enthusiasm. We're now in a chocolate museum. I didn't realise that's how big they were, and this is the things that they are. They're all slimy and weird. I'm so confused. It's not what I know chocolate as. There's real things here. And there's like an open one, which is all slimy. So they're harvested there. And then they're fermented here. Which is pretty cool. Still not like anything. Oh, these ones are still soggy. That's so gross. They obviously actually make chocolate here. Yeah, they're fermenting. And then it goes into the drying process, which is this. Still doesn't smell like chocolate just yet. And then you come back over here to the first toasted process. Then your final station is a grinding process. Oh. Oh, it smells like chocolate now. It does. Emma, come smell this. We've got to the end of the chocolate museum and everyone's getting milkshakes and frappes. And I got a cookie. Okay, well, in a few seconds we're about to be on the centre of the earth. The middle of the earth, sorry. Mitad Del Mundo, middle of the earth. This yellow line is what represents it. So are you ready? I'm on it. I'm right in the middle. And I feel great. We are all queuing. So apparently you have strength outside of the line and no strength on the line. But we're calling bullshit. Smashed it! Just getting the elevator up to the top. Cotopaxi volcano, there's a snow-capped mountain as well. This is lovely soft rock. I'll take you on a 360 tour. Join me on an adventure. And we're back with our friends.
Go. So, there we come. So, that's what you weigh on the moon. What is that, moon? What, 8 kilos?
We're 8 kilos on the moon.
Yep.
55.63 north of the equator.
And in the middle of the earth, you'll weigh 55.7. You're fatty.
Yes. We've got a bit of a science museum going on here, which is quite cool. So this consists of a coil which generates a magnetic field parallel to the axis. This magnetic field passes through the ring, which induces an electron movement opposite. Oh, love these things. Oh, what? Oh. Look. Ready?
What is that thing?
Wireless electricity. Light bulb moment. Go for it. Ding. And this is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, I know, but it's bullshit.
The button.
It's bullshit. Look, they just come out a different side, so it's like that's pointing that way. Obviously, it's going to spin that way, and that's pointing that way, so it's obviously going to spin that way.
Oh yeah.
It's just bullshit. They're just pointing in certain ways, so they just spin like that.
So apparently it is real, but in large bodies of water, that's just intensely exaggerated. Oh, we just picked up my washing. Yeah, there you go. Just picked up our washing, literally all of my belongings. And now we're at, what's this place called? Urban. For some dinner or lunch and dinner, because no one really ate all day. Super cute though, I love the lights. Hola, buenas. Gracias. Get Urban Kitchen. Food has arrived. Salut, guys. Last supper. Salut. We are in the taxi. We finished eating dinner, repacked our bags, and we're all on our way to the bus station. We have made it to Banos. We just walked to the hostel, just checked in. We're probably going to go to, well, we are going to go straight to bed because it's 11:10. I know I've got cream all over my face. It's because it's very sunburnt and it's just not soaking in that moisture. So I've just doused myself in it. But yeah, these are, you can't see because it's in the dark, but basically these are the hostel beds. They have curtains, which is quite nice. But yeah, I will leave it here. Good night, and I will see you en la mañana.